This is Frederick Baif on with Nature's Darkest Secrets, delving into the deepest, darkest pits of nature and exposing it to the world. Associated with the Nature Channel too, an offshoot of the Nature Channel. You probably know various creatures on this earth, from the butterfly to the buffalo to the donkey to the sea turtle. Life in general is quite good for the well-being of the earth, like worms for the soil, for the plants in the soil. You've probably seen the tundra, forests, Africa, etc., etc. But what we have here is quite an anomaly. This is what we scientists call an herbosystem. Herbosystem. Since humans are not like animals at all in the slightest, it's curious that we see humans exhibiting effects like animals. And I guess what our feature presentation is here is the adolescent Dilf Hunter. The Dilf Hunter. We'll give a small overview of what the neighboring species in the Dilf Hunter environment look like to an outsider. Wow, here we have a strange yet distinct form of sexual arousal in the flap-eared, rhesus ape man. Ah, a struggling reptilian boy trying to attract a mate. And here, not the smartest of species, the female human, pondering, trying their hardest to figure out how to use primitive tools necessary for life.
The white variety of boy shows we're quite lucky here, Randy. Mating rituals are usually very private. See, they like to use the hands. Maybe they could teach your wife a fucking trick or two, Randy. Shut up! Now we'll trek to the den of what I believe in my heart to be one of the most beautiful, majestic animals ever. The Dilf Because all that loud music, the Dilf Hunter feels the need to escape. He's trying his very hardest to find an exit. Oh no! Join Nature's Darkest Secrets on our next expedition on the little-known subspecies of Israeli cauliflowered marsupial, Levinus fiducius vaginus.